Hi there, I'm Karen Whiting. This is my little friend. Oh. Right now what I want to teach you is how to make a simple paper folded bunny. It's really one sheet of paper with the head put onto it. So you're going to take a plain piece of paper, hold it lengthwise, so one long end is up towards the sky, the other long end is down towards your feet. Fold it in thirds, and it doesn't have to be terribly exact. When children do this, it's not going to matter, but basically in thirds. When you have done that, so you've got it into one inside, the other goes over that, you're going to take the, let's call this A and the bottom B, you're going to take A and fold it down to meet B, folding it in half. Now you have these two ends, which are still A and B, and you're going to take A and fold it in half back to the middle. Flip the paper over, take B, fold it in half back to the middle. That way when it's opened up it looks like a W, but it gives you a pocket at the top for your fingers, a pocket in the bottom for your thumb, so that now you can make any type of movable mouth puppet with it. And what we're going to do today is, you've got a pattern for a bunny puppet, or you can cut any shape you want, and you're going to cut that bunny puppet out. And what you're going to end up doing, you would simply glue that onto your folded puppet, making sure that the point of this, or the edge of the mouth, is going to be in line with the opening, the inside part. You don't want to end up on the edge where you put your fingers, or the puppet would be upside down. So you're going to make sure you glue it there. Once you have glued it on there, you're just going to take your markers or crayons, whatever you want children to have, and you're going to go ahead and color on your face. I colored a little nose. You can put some little whiskers on for the bunny. And eyes, color in the ears a little bit. If you want to, you can, on the open part of the mouth, you can cut out or color a white piece red, a little piece of red paper for a tongue, glue that on the bottom of the inside of the mouth, and you can also add a little buck teeth if you wanted, whatever you want to do to finish decorating up your puppet. But you're done with it then. So just think of all the things you can do with this. But if you're doing this for a kid's day and for Easter time, it just is a very simple project, and children can color that bunny however they want. Just that simple fold. If you have really little ones, you may want to fold it ahead, or even glue that head on and have it ready for them to just decorate and use. But thank you for joining me. Check my website, www.karenwhiting.com.